Hi, this is Lovin' the Bling, and this is part, I guess, 3 of the domino making and how I do my dominoes. I did these dominoes the other day. I've already, with every domino, I've already put the white acrylic paint on the holes and the middle section here. When you do that with the acrylic paint, you can just wipe off excess and wait till they're dry. I've already done the monogram on the back that the customer wanted with 651 vinyl and cut that out with my silhouette cameo. Now we're at the point where we're going to spray this right here. I use Rustoleum Triple Thick glaze. So what you'll do is you will spray it. And what I like to do is I've already shaken the can really well, and you'll just spray a thin, even coat on the top, and then I go to the side, like I put it to the side, do the same thing. So you're going to get the sides, and let me switch hands here. Same thing, I put it at an angle and do this side, and then put it at an angle and do the back sides, and the same for the front sides. Okay, so I let that sit. I let that sit for a good 15-30 minutes at the least. Sometimes I'll even forget it and it's out here, and come back and I do another layer of spray, same ways. Top, sides, spine, and I do another layer. Let it sit for a good 30-40 minutes, and then I will take them off, put a new sheet of wax paper down, and I get my wax paper from Dollar Tree. Just a parchment paper, actually. It's just parchment. You can use wax paper, you can use aluminum foil. It really doesn't matter. You just don't want, just leave it on with nothing. It's easier to get them, and they don't stick to anything. So when they're done drying for this first coat, I will take them up, put a new sheet of wax paper down, flip them over, and do the same thing. Spray, two layers, and let them dry really well. And you want to do this in a well-ventilated area. Once they're dry, they're ready to pack and ship to the customer. Thanks for watching.